entity, launch director, I proudly give you a go to roll the Artemis launch vehicle to the pad.
We've seen the mobile launcher outside and it's massive, but now add an over 300-foot rocket on top of it, it's just gonna be amazing.
This is a big opportunity for us as a nation to reclaim our spot at the forefront of human space flight.
Artemis is going to be a major part of history.
This is our time and what folks have worked so hard for.
This rocket is just going to be absolutely amazing.
This is going to be the most powerful rocket in history. Like no one's ever seen anything this powerful before. Once we get this thing fully stacked, Artemis 1 is going to surprise everybody.